Hey, what's up guys? Natasha here over at TechNave, and today we're gonna have another unboxing, and this phone is really interesting because it is in pink, which is my favorite color. Actually, it's upside down. To be fair, this is actually called bubblegum pink, which is really cute. This one comes in 3 colors, which is caviar black as well as lemonade blue, and this is the Samsung Galaxy A9. And what's really cool about this phone is that this is the first phone in the world to feature a quad rear camera. So you know what, without further ado, let's get on with it. Alright, first up we just see Samsung Galaxy A9. Take off the top and we have the eject pin, and in here we have the standard plastic case for the phone. We have the quick start guide, and now we have the meat of the phone. The meat of the phone. Ooh. The meat of the phone. Ooh. We have the main attraction, which is the phone itself. Quad camera, infinity display, 128 gigabytes. Oh yeah. That felt really good. We have the adaptive fast charger, some earphone, which is a 3.5mm jack, as well as a USB Type-C cable. And that's all we have in the box. Alright, a little bit background history about this phone. This is a premium mid-range smartphone and powered by the Snapdragon 660 and Adreno 512. This is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, with an expandable memory up to 512GB. This has a glass back, and as you can see, it's a nice gradient pink in the back here. I am really digging. Also in the back here, you have the rear quad cameras as well as a rear fingerprint scanner right over here, which is pretty nice. The display is 6.3-inch Super AMOLED display. And as for the cameras, it comes with a 24-megapixel, 8-megapixel, 10-megapixel, and 5-megapixel sensor. And the selfie camera has 24-megapixel camera. Now this phone has a 3800 milliamp battery, which is pretty standard for this kind of phone. And speaking of which, we're at 3% battery, so I'm really curious about the fast charging. So you know what, while we're here, let's have a try on the fast charging, yeah? And we have a wall plug over here, and we're gonna see how fast it takes to charge from 3% battery to maybe 10%. So right now it's 11:37 a.m. And now the time is 11:51 a.m. and we have hit 15% charge, which is pretty fast. What I really want to try out with this phone is the camera. So this camera has the wide angle camera, which I'm really curious to see, which we'll try out outside in a bit. But for now, let's try out the other cameras first. Now we have the auto, which I'm gonna try out on this plant, as well as our friend Iron Man here. So I'm just gonna use normal zoom and natural lighting. So basically, this is how it looks like for a normal photo. Everything's pretty good. The background is a little bit blurry, which I want to see, which is nice. And the focus is on the plant. However, Iron Man is kind of blurred out, probably because it's focused on the plant. So zoom in, we can try and see the detailing of this plant. See how that goes. And so far, so good. Background still blurred. I got all the edges of the plant beautifully, and nothing is overexposed. It's not even grainy. So most cameras have this issue when you zoom in. It does get grainy, but this one, no issue at all, which is pretty nice. Now, I want to have a look at live focus. You can adjust the background blur how much you want. Let's set it on 4. Focus on the plant. Oh, okay, some parts of the plants is completely blurred out. We also have a scene optimizer in here, which I'm gonna use with the wide angle. You can see the photos right here. But other than that, yeah, that is it for the Samsung Galaxy A9. Design-wise, it's a big A+ from me. I love how it looks. I love how it feels in your hand. I love how not very heavy it is. It's retailing at 1,999 Malaysian ringgit. So you can get your hands on it on the website or even at any Samsung authorized dealers. But that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.